Naxalism, LWE, Maoism. Three terms are same or different? Three terms are same, words are same or different? Same. Where they are same? Ideology they are same. Okay, but the origin is different. The difference is origin. So how this origin started? Where this origin started? Origin started in the French. There was a person called as, you might have studied in the world history. So what was the rule during his period? Dictatorship, monarchy. Yes or no? Dictatorship or monarchical rule. So in the French parliament, there were persons who were sitting. Those who are sitting on the right, those who are sitting on the left. For your right, this is right. And those who are sitting on the left. Those who are sitting on the left. Those who are sitting on the right, they were supporting these Louis XVI, conservative. Yes or no? They are called white wing, RS. Okay, right wing, RSS. Yes or no? They are supporting the government here, RSS. So, right wing. They are conservative in nature, supporting this Louis XVI. And those who are opposing it, opposing it. Okay, they are those who are opposing it. Now, what they wanted, these left people, what they wanted to bring changes in the society. Changes in society. What kind of changes in the society? They wanted to bring socio-economical and political changes. In the society. Changes. For that, their objective was to overthrow monarchy rule. Overthrow monarchy in France. So they started a revolution called as French Revolution. So from that, there is a word called as left-wing extremist. Why they were called extremist? Because in this revolution, they used, why they are called extremist here? Extremist, rigidity in thoughts and actions. Okay, rigidity in the thoughts and actions. That's why they were called as left-wing extremist. That's why they are called left-wing extremist. So the word left-wing extremism came from French Revolution, from the France. Point clear?